Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I will let you know how we can create a butterfly chart in Tableau. So I'm opening a new Tableau instance. So for creating the butterfly chart, I will be connecting to a save data source, which is a sample superstore data source. So I have connected to the sample superstore data set. So for making this particular butterfly chart, we will be comparing the amount of discount given for each subcategory and the total amount of sales for that particular subcategory. So what I will do is first I will search for subcategory and I will put subcategory in the rows. Secondly, I will now search for sales and I will put sales over here. Next, I will search for discount and I will put discount over here. And I will change it to entire view. So now as you can see, I have the subcategory and its discount and sales, but it doesn't look like a butterfly chart. So for doing this, what I will be doing is I will be creating a zero axis. So I will be creating a calculated field and I will put 0 over here, and I will name this particular calculation also as zero axis. Now I will search for that zero axis and I will put it between these two measures. So this is the zero axis which we have created. Now I will remove these subcategories because we want these subcategories in the middle. So I will just right click over here and I will uncheck the show header. Now as a next step, what I will do is I will search for subcategory again and I will put that subcategory category inside this zero axis this toolbar. So I will put that subcategory here on the labels and I will convert this particular chart to a text table. So see, we have got the subcategories in the middle. Now as a next step, what I will do is I will reverse this axis because so that it looks like a butterfly chart. So I will just go here, go to edit axis and I will make it reversed. Apart from it, I will do one more change over here. I will go to tick marks and I will in the major tick mark section I will click on none, so that we will be only having discount over here and not the entire scale. Here also I will go over here and I will go to edit axis. I will go to tick marks and click on none. Apart from it, we also have the option of like removing this title, so the zero axis doesn't make any sense. Like instead we can keep it subcategories or yeah, let us keep it subcategories, or otherwise just leave it blank. I mean let's not put anything over here because it is like understood that these are various subcategories. Apart from it, here also we will go to edit axis and we will just remove these tick marks. Okay. Now, as of now, we have got various subcategories over here, and we have got the discount over here. We have got the sales over here, but still, I mean, this chart doesn't look so appealing and so good. So we will now do some formatting to make it look good. So what I will be doing is first I will click on the zero axis and click on text over here, and I will be just making the text much bold and increasing the text size so that it appears well. Yeah. So I have changed the text appearance of this subcategories. Apart from it, I will be also changing the color of each bar so that I mean each bar is we are able to differentiate between each bar. So I will make the color of discount as orange and color of sales as bit blue. Yeah, I think it is fine now. So see, via this particular graph, we are able to visualize that the more the discount, the more our sales. And if the discount for a subcategory is given less, so the sales are also less for that particular subcategory. Now, apart from it, we will be like removing all of these lines and this line in between because it is not looking good. So I will right click and go to format. Now I will go to these border section and I will remove all the unnecessary lines which we have. Now I will go to the this line section, and from here also I will remove these grid lines. As you can see, maximum grid lines have been removed. Yeah, so all of our like extra lines have been removed. So like whatever the graph which you are seeing on the screen right now, so this is one version of butterfly chart. I mean, in between like over here we have various subcategories over here, and we are able to like visualize the respective discount and sales according to that particular subcategory. But to make it like more good, so to make it more good, we can apply few other practices as well. So let me show you how we can like make it more good. So what I will be doing is I will be creating a I will be first changing this particular 0 axis to a decimal. So as of now this particular 0 axis is a whole number, but I will be changing it to a decimal. But I am doing this because we will be like creating a dual axis map out of this. So now we have changed this particular 0 axis to a decimal, and now I will change it to a dual axis. Apart from it, now as the next step, what I will do is I will again search for 0 axis, and I will put that 0 axis over here, and I will again change it to a dual axis. Now what I will be doing is I will be changing this particular two measures to a bar chart. So discount I will be changing it to a bar, and sales also I will be changing it to a bar. So see, like earlier our both the bars were like apart, but now both of the bars have been combined. Now as a next step, what I will be doing is I will go to this particular axis, and I will click on synchronize axis. Here also I will click on synchronize axis, and I will go over here and I will click on edit axis, and now we have to set the range. So range I will keep it as fixed, and start I will be keeping at 0, and end I will be keeping automatic. And the same change we have to make over here also. We have to click on edit axis. We have to click on fixed, start from 0, and end will be automatic. Now as you can see that we are able to see the text over here, but here we are able to see a circle. So let's convert this particular circle to a text only. So I will go to this second 0 axis, and I will be converting this to a text. And let me search for subcategory and put it inside the text bar. Yeah, and let me see. So as of now, like if we combine this, so it is making as accessories or appliances. But let us change the styling of this particular sales bar also, so that it matches the discount bar. So let us see what is the styling of 0 axis. I mean the discount 0 axis. So its styling is basically 12 and bold. So we will keep the same over here. So we will keep it as 12, and let us keep it as bold, and click on apply. And apart from it, we will also be changing the color of this particular text. So I will go here and go in the color section, click on edit colors, and I will make the both the 0 axis with the same color. So the above 0 axis is of orange color, so the next 0 axis for this also I will be making it as orange. So we have got this, and apart from it, let us remove these headers. Yeah. So, and let me name this particular chart as sales versus discount. Yeah. So as you can see over here, we have got the sales. We have created the sales versus discount butterfly chart. So we have various subcategories names in the middle, and their respective sales amount and their respective discount amount. So if we hover over the any bar, we can see on tooltip that binders is having discount of 567 and the sales of 2,03,413. And we can remove this legend as well, because this legend doesn't make any sense. So just remove this legend. So this is the butterfly chart which we have created. So that's all for this particular video, guys. If you like my video, then please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.